Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install Zevenet and open source load balancer. After booting your installer media, you will see the following screen. Here, choose install and then press enter. And then next, you have to choose your language for the installation process. Now here I am selecting English and then press enter. And then here you have to choose your time zone. Next step will be choosing the keyboard language. Here I am giving American English keyboard. And the next step will be configuring the network. So enter your IP address and then choose continue. Next you have to enter your netmask and then after entering your gateway just press continue. Next it's gonna be your name server address, and this is not a necessary one and this is option. You can even leave this field blank and then choose continue. Now you have to provide your host name. After configuring your host name, choose continue and then you have to give your domain name here, and then you have to give your domain name and then press continue. And next step will be assigning your root password, and by pressing this option you can see your root password here and then just press continue. Now just re-enter your password and then this is a partitioning area. Here we're gonna do a manual partition, so go and choose manual and then here we have to select this device. After that we have to create an empty partition table on this device, so choose yes and then click on free space. Here you have to choose create a new partition and then you have to assign a partition size. I'm gonna give 8 GB here and then choose continue. So the type of the partition will be primary and location of the new partition at the beginning. Then if you see here, this will be used as ext4 journaling file system and then change the bootable flag to on. Now choose done setting up the partition. Now if you see here, we have another 8 GB free space, so click on it and then create a new partition. Just use the remaining free space and choose continue, and this is going to be another primary partition. And then here we're going to choose a swap area and then change the bootable flag to on and then choose done setting up the partition. So after making this enough changes, go to finish partition and write changes to disk, and then once you verify all the changes listed below will be returned to the disk and then choose yes. Now the installation will begin and it takes few minutes to complete. And then after the installation it will ask choose your device for bootloader installation. Here I'm gonna choose /dev/sta. After that you have to enter continue to finish the installation. And then that's it. The Zevenet has been completely installed. Now you can log in using your root user and password. So this is how you install Zevenet, and also we can access it from the browser. Just go and type HTTPS along with your IP address followed by 444. If you give here, it will ask for username and password. Just give root name and then password. So if you see here, you can monitor your Zevenet server here. So this is how you install Zevenet. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.